regenerative medicine, and how is it different than traditional medical care?
Well, that's a great question because so many people don't really understand what it is. At the core, regenerative medicine is actually helping to regain function by rebuilding, restoring, and actually helping the tissue to regrow in the joint or in the area. Now, there are fields of regenerative medicine where they're actually trying to regenerate, grow organs and tissues in that nature. Now, we're talking from a joint level that we're trying to rebuild and restructure and help regain the original structure and integrity of the joint, whether it's a knee or a shoulder or a hip. And so traditional medicine approaches it from you really have an option of surgery, you have an option of medicine. So the medicines are going to try and decrease inflammation or change the way the brain interprets pain. They're not going to actually do anything to help restore or rebuild the joint. With surgery, you're taking a foreign object and basically you're taking the knee out, putting a new one in. There's all kinds of problems and issues with that. And, you know, unfortunately, statistically, about half of those work great, about half don't. So those aren't great odds in Vegas, or they are in Vegas, but not in your body. Okay. So there's just a lot of complications that come with that. A lot of people don't get full results and full response with that. And there's infections and all of those type issues that were the downtime from the surgery. There's just so many different things that complicate that. And so with regenerative medicine, we're actually trying to use the body's own natural healing mechanisms to regenerate, restore the tissue so you can restore normal function and reduce the pain levels so that you can get back to enjoying a good quality of life again. That's really at the core of what regenerative medicine. There's a lot of different stem cells, one part of that. It's one of the major parts, but there's some other things that use regenerative properties in the body to heal, things like PRP. There's some other things, but when you're talking about a joint, if you're facing surgical type issues, knee replacement, hip replacement, shoulder replacement, then stem cells, you're going to have to talk about the stem cells are kind of the peak of the regenerative therapy process. And they do a fantastic job. We're just seeing some amazing stories come in on how well patients are doing and avoiding the surgeries and being able to get back to doing what they want to do. So
awesome. I like that. Another one is, what exactly are stem cells and how